guess, how's my mood today? LG MoodUP refrigerator comes with different colors and music to match your different moods and vibes. Wondering how it works? Well, it's at your fingertips. Let me show you how. Download the LG ThinQ app on your smartphone from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and click on the refrigerator option. Click on the color mode option to go to the color collection and music collection tabs. Under the color collection tab, you will get the theme curation and my collection options. Let's first explore the theme curation tab, where you will find preset color theme options like season, place, etc. to give you a feel of summer, winter and much more. To access more than 1.75 lakh color combinations, you have the My Collection tab. Under the My Collection tab, you will get the Object Collection option, in which you can find colors like botanic green, redwood, etc. that are inspired by the Object Collection. To access and create your own color combinations, go to the My Selection tab, where you will have numerous color options to give different vibes to your refrigerator. So, no matter what mood you are in, the color of the refrigerator will reflect your mood. Not only this, to match the mood lights and further enhance your mood, you can choose music from its preset music collection. You can find these collections under the Music Collection tab and click on them to explore the list of music pieces. And if you want to play your favorite number, you can simply connect your phone to the refrigerator. Long press the Bluetooth button on the refrigerator for 3 seconds to switch on MoodUP's inbuilt Bluetooth speaker. Pair it with your phone, open YouTube or Spotify and just dance to the tune. To add a party feel to your surroundings, you have the Party Mode option. Under Party Mode, you have 2 tabs, Bounce and Flow. Let's first go to the Bounce option. Here, the mood lights match your music and flicker according to the beats of the music. And in the Flow option, the mood lights flow in sync with the music to create a calming ambience. Now, let's come to the Color Alert option. Activate the Door Open Alert option to know if the refrigerator door is accidentally left ajar. Customize colors of welcome light to get a warm welcome every time you open the refrigerator, and choose the nighttime mood light to illuminate the nights with your choice of color. So folks, upgrade your home with LG MoodUP refrigerator and let your mood set the vibe.